Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are here to discuss the notes of your Act 2 Scene 1. Okay, this act is basically where Morocco, one of the suitors, come there to try his luck and to woo Portia. So this scene is all about this. So let us see that what are the certain extracts and questions related to them. So your first extract is: bring me the fairest creature northward born, where Phoebus' fire scars thaws the icicles, and let us make incision for your love, to prove whose blood is reddest, his or mine. I tell thee, lady, this aspect of mine hath feared the valiant. By my love I swear, the best regarded virgins of our clime have loved it too. I would not change this hue, except to steal your thoughts, my gentle queen. So here Morocco is just boasting about his, you can say, nature, his appearance, and his overall braveness. Okay, that he is a very brave man, and Portia should not go on his complexion, because this complexion was because of the sun. Okay, so he was a neighbor of sun, means the country in which he was living, there the sun rays were directly over his head. So he's asking that just bring the fairest creature from the northward born, and they would both just make a incision, that is a cut on the skin, for the love, for the sake of love of Portia, and this would prove that whose blood is red. Okay, so and he also says that he even brave of brave fear from Morocco, and the virgins, that is unmarried ladies of his country, used to die on him. Okay, so these were the things that Morocco was boasting about himself. So let us see what the first question is. Where does the scene takes place? Who are present in the scene? What explanation does Morocco give for his dark complexion? So the scene takes place in a room in Portia's house at Belmont. People present are Prince of Morocco and his attendants. So this scene is taking place in a room in Portia's house, that is in Belmont, and the people were those were present. There were Prince of Morocco, his attendants, Portia, and her attendants also. So Morocco says that he got his dark color because of the force of sun. He was born and brought up in the country where the sun is very close to the earth. This I have already told you, that the reason that he's giving off his dark complexion is because of the sun. He was bred in a country where the sun rays were very much high. So this is the answer. Your next question is: what qualities does a creature born in north have? Why? So the answer will be: the people born in north are fair skinned. This is because the sun rays are so faint in the north that they are barely to melt the frost and icicles. Okay, so the reason, the quality that the north have, that they have very fair complexion skin, and the reason for that is the sun rays don't reach there in its full swing, and the sun rays are very much faint there. So that's why the people living there have very fair complexion. And the next question is: who is Phoebus and what is meant by Phoebus' fire? What test does the speaker propose to prove whose blood is reddest? So, students, answer is: Phoebus in Greek mythology is one of the names of the sun god Apollo. Phoebus' fire means the rays of the sun. Phoebus, so students, Phoebus was the sun, god of sun, okay, and the Phoebus fire were referred to as the rays of the sun. And what test does Morocco proposes? So Morocco proposes that he should be matched with any fair-skinned man born in the north. They should open veins to see whose blood is reddest. Red blood was considered to be sign of courage. Okay, so that's why he wanted to just bring a northward born creature, and they would make a cut on the skin and see that whose blood is reddest, means who had more courage to win Portia. So this is the answer of this question. The next question is: what effect does the physical appearance of Morocco have on the brave men and the prettiest women of his country? So Morocco's physical appearance frightened the brave men, whereas the prettiest women admired and love it. Okay, this is love it. So it is said that Morocco is saying here that even the brave and warriors used to just fear from him, and the prettiest woman, unmarried woman, used to love him a lot and admire his nature and appearance. So the next question is, on what condition is the speaker prepared to change his dark complexion? What idea do you get about the character of the Prince of Morocco from the extract? So the answer was, the Prince of Morocco says that he can only change his complexion if it were to gain Portia's attention. It is not tension, Portia's attention. The extract brings out the character of the Prince of Morocco, that he is very brave, straightforward, and honest person. So the reason that he wanted to change that, the reason, only the mere reason that would change his dark complexion was because that he wanted to gain Portia's attention. Otherwise, he will not do so at any condition. And these qualities that are brought in, that are shown in Prince of Morocco, are that he is very much brave, straightforward, and honest. So this is how you have to answer the question, students. There are some other extracts also, so kindly go through them and try to answer in very brief and in point to point. Okay, whatever is being asked, you have to answer it in point form, means ekdam precise, ekdam accurate. So I hope you got it and you understood that how you will write the answer in your examinations. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you, students.